Stop moving everybody up. We got 7. 619, one hand. One hand. We got 6.
Dirty out? I don't even care, man. Whatever.
Fuck the establishment. Fuck your bride.
I'm over this whole thing. Oh my god, all walls burst and grills is the best thing ever. No hands. No hands. Stoked I got a good spot in the parking lot.
Is he dead?
What you mean is he dead? I finished it with 2 claps and I was like, shit.
Oh shit, the blood coming out.
Damn it, is he good?
Where does fall? Where does fall?
Haven. Oh yeah?
Ah! 3 left.